Good morning, everyone. We are the Group 3, and our topic is all about professional ethics and early childhood education. So, before we proceed, this is our team: Kimada Ernalyn P, Sagmayo Prince D, Rayan Santos, Pamela Sitar, Lani Grace Solayao, and Rika May Tanagtano. So for introduction, professional ethics are a set of principles and values that guide the conduct and behavior of individuals in a particular profession. In early childhood education, professional ethics are essential to ensure well-being and safety of young children and to maintain the integrity and reputation of the profession. So, alam naman natin na as teacher or as our topic nga na professional ethics, alam natin na ang mga teachers may ginaganapang di ba nga, dyan na pumapasok yung topic na bakit ka magsusuot ng ganyan, di ba teacher ka, bawal ka magsusuot ng ganyan, di ba teacher ka. So, parang dun din papasok dun yung topic natin. So, before that, let's play Guess What. So, itong Guess What na to, pipiliin nyo lang or sasabihin nyo kung sino sa tingin niyo yung taong pinapakita ko. So, for example, yan, practice game. Who's this? Yes, si Johnny Bravo. So, are you ready? So, yan. Who's this? What do you think? What do you think? Yan, si John Lancis Valderrama. For the next game, akala niya si Marcos, no? Yan. Ay. Anong pangalan? Akala niya yan. Akala niya na Showtime, no? Hindi. Yan si Marcos. And next, yan. For the last, yan si Ma'am Prof. Maria Floresa Mendoza. So, Codes of Ethics for Early Childhood Educators. Presented by me, Princess D&D Sagmayo. So, what is Code of Ethics in Early Childhood Education? A Code of Ethics is a set of guidelines that outlines the ethical responsibilities and the standard of conduct expected of professional in a particular field. So, dito, pasok si NACI or si National Association for the Education of Young Children. So, NACI, they develop a code of ethics for early childhood educators. So, nung nag-develop sila, may dinevelop din silang core values. Itong core values na to, laging yung tatandaan ng 4 na R. 4 na R are respect, responsibility, relationships, and reflections. So, for the respect, early childhood educator should respect the dignity, worth, and uniqueness of child, family, and colleague. So, syempre, as teachers or as educators, kailangan natin ng respect sa isa't isa. Kailangan natin pakita sa kanila yung respect natin para igalang din tayo ng ibang tao. And syempre, as respect, gagayahin din tayo ng mga estudyante natin, mga tuturuan natin, kung paano igalang din ang iba. So, responsibility, early child educators should be responsible for the safety, health, and well-being of children in the care, as well as for their own professional development and growth. So, as teacher, hindi lang as nagtuturo, responsibility din natin yung safety ng mga estudyante, yung katawan nila, yung pag-aalaga sa mga bata, ganun din yung development and growth ng mga natin and natin mga guro at sa ating mga estudyante. For the relationship, early child educators should establish positive and supportive relationship with children, families, and colleagues based on trust, respect, and open communication. So, hindi lang naman sa family kailangan nitong communication. Kailangan din natin ito sa mga estudyante, sa family nila. Kasi, di ba, sinasabi nga nila na kung anong mood ng bata ngayon, may dahilan nito kung bakit ganyan ang mood ng bata. For example, pinag-drawing mo siya, then kinulayan niya. Yung pinangkulay niya, for example lang to yung pinangkulay niya is color black. So, may possibility, di ba, ang black is for attract niya yung negative. So, yun. Parang sinasabi nun na may mga nangyari or may hindi magandang nangyari sa bata. That's why, ganun ang pinangkulay niya. So, parang ganun din sa family. Kasi, yung relationship kasi natin sa kanila, para rin tinuturing nila tayo na second mother or second home. High school nga is their second home. So, parang ganoon din sa atin. Kailangan natin ng relationship to each other para maging yung trust, respect, and open communication nila. So, for their reflection, early childhood educators should engage in ongoing reflection and self-assessment to improve their practice and to ensure that they are meeting all the needs of all children in their care. So, for the reflection nga parang last, kailangan natin ng self-assessment or kailangan natin ng pag-check or what do we call this? Parang quiz, ganon. Parang test, ganon. Na may nag-improve sa mga practices na ginagawa natin sa mga estudyante. So, for the conclusion, professional ethics are essential in early childhood education. Early childhood education to ensure that young children are safe, healthy, and well cared for. And that early childhood educators maintain high standard for professionalism and integrity by following codes of ethics for early childhood educators. So, ayun, malaking tulong tong ethics of early childhood education kasi matutulungan tayo mga educators na kung paano din humandle sa mga estudyante natin, kung anong meron sa code of ethics na ginagamit ng mga guro. So, thank you so much. For the next reporter, can you please present your work and discuss it? Thank you.